Running is an easy and highly effective type of physical activity that anybody can get started with. When starting, it can be difficult to create a consistent running routine that fits in your schedule. However, once you overcome this challenge, there are a wealth of benefits to be had. If you are curious about the array of benefits running can have on your body, then be sure to watch this video until the very end. Today, we're dropping all the secrets. Let's get started. Did you know that running is linked to an improved sense of happiness? That's right. Research suggests that a 30-minute jog can significantly improve the mood of people struggling with depressive conditions. It doesn't even matter how fast you're running. Even with a moderate pace jog, you can experience this positive effect. Additionally, running prompts the release of endorphins, fostering a sense of euphoria commonly known as the runner's high. Another common benefit to running is that you will burn a lot of calories. This means your body uses up a lot of energy when you run. For instance, if a person who weighs 70 kilograms runs at a moderate speed, they can burn 20 calories in 1 minute. In 30 minutes of running, they can burn 366 calories. You can burn even more calories if you are running against the wind, going uphill, or by picking up the pace. So if you've ever needed to burn off a little energy or that extra piece of pie, going for a quick jog around the block will do just that. Debunking the common myth that running is bad for your knees. It's a common train of thought that running is bad for your knees, but that's not true. Some recent studies have discovered that people who run are less likely to have knee pain compared to those who don't run. This is because running helps you keep a healthy weight, and it makes your leg muscles and bones stronger. Every time your feet hit the ground when you run, your muscles, tendons, and ligaments are put under pressure. They adjust and become stronger. Walking, swimming, and other activities that don't involve this kind of pressure won't make your muscles and bones as strong as running does. Your heart will be healthier for it. Engaging in cardiovascular exercises, such as running, helps make your heart stronger. Don't worry, you don't need to run for hours each day. Even just a 10-minute slow jog can help lower your chances of having heart problems in the future. Your brain will work better if you run. If you find yourself constantly forgetting things, like what you had for breakfast that morning or where you put your keys, try incorporating running into your routine. There is evidence that cardio exercises, which speed up your heart rate and make you sweat, can improve how well your brain works. Goodbye, brain fog. You will sleep better if you run regularly. In a small study, scientists found that people who ran at a moderate pace for at least 30 minutes 5 times a week had better sleep. Good sleep is super important for your overall well-being. Being able to have sound, restful sleep leads to more productive and energized days. You can get beautiful legs by running regularly. Running works out some of the biggest muscles in your body. This means you'll be strengthening your hips, calves, and buttocks all at once. But running doesn't just work on your legs. It also involves your stomach and back muscles in keeping your body steady. So, if you run regularly, you'll be improving the appearance of your whole body. Now that's something I can get behind. Now, while running has many benefits, some of which were discussed earlier, it is important to follow some simple rules to avoid injuring yourself while running. First, make sure to get proper running shoes. Loafers, sneakers, sandals, and flats are not designed for running and can result in unwanted injuries. Second, gradually increase your running stamina and endurance over time. Don't try to tackle a 10-kilometer run on day 1 unless you are Superman. It will only lead to dissatisfaction and frustration. Try to incorporate other types of exercise like swimming and cycling to add variety to your workout. It's important to exercise different muscle groups. Always warm up before you start running and stretch after you finish. The last thing you want is to pull a muscle or tear something because you didn't take the extra 10 minutes to warm up. Finally, consider finding a coach who can help you identify any mistakes in your technique and show how you fix them. Moving on to another common question. Which is better for running? The street or the treadmill? Let's take a closer look at this question. Many runners live in cities where the weather isn't always ideal for outdoor exercise. When the weather doesn't cooperate, indoor treadmills can come in handy, providing a consistent environment for workouts. But there's more to consider. While running on the street might feel more psychologically satisfying due to the sense of movement, there are other factors at play. For instance, if you reside in an area with polluted air from cars or factories, running on the street might cause harmful metals to accumulate in your body, affecting your health. In such cases, running on a treadmill in a gym with filtered air can be a better option. On the other hand, if you have access to a nearby park and clean area, running outdoors would be a better option for you. Psychologically, it's often easier to meet training goals and vary speed during street runs. If circumstances allow, outdoor running is generally preferred. Assess your area to determine which option is best for you and your situation. Feel free to share your experiences in the comments. Do you enjoy running? And where do you prefer it? On the street or on a treadmill? Your insights will make for an interesting read. Don't forget to check out other videos on my channel. Links are available on the screen. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. See you soon!